Atkins Diet Plan Explained, a beginner's guide to low-carb eating. The Atkins Diet is a popular low-carbohydrate eating plan. Developed by Dr. Robert C. Atkins in the 1960s, it emphasizes proteins and fats, while reducing the intake of carbohydrates. The main goal of the Atkins Diet is to help individuals lose weight and improve their health by altering their metabolism. This guide aims to provide beginners with a comprehensive understanding of how the Atkins Diet works. The Atkins Diet is structured into 4 distinct phases, each designed to help the body adjust to a new way of eating. The first phase, known as induction, involves limiting carbohydrate intake severely to jumpstart weight loss. The second phase, ongoing weight loss, allows a gradual increase in carb intake while continuing to lose weight. The third phase, pre-maintenance, further relaxes carb restrictions as the eater approaches their target weight. The final phase, lifetime maintenance, is about sustaining the new eating habits and maintaining the weight loss long-term. Central to the Atkins Diet is understanding which foods to eat and which to avoid. Foods to focus on include meats, fatty fish, eggs, dairy products, nuts and seeds, and lower-carb vegetables. In contrast, foods to limit or avoid include sugars, grains, high-carb fruits, and starchy vegetables. The diet encourages eating whole, unprocessed foods and avoiding anything high in carbohydrates. While the Atkins Diet has been touted for its potential weight loss and health benefits, it's also important to be aware of its risks. Benefits often include weight loss, improved blood sugar levels, and enhanced heart health markers. However, potential risks could involve nutrient deficiencies and increased cholesterol levels. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting the Atkins Diet, especially for individuals with pre-existing health conditions. Success on the Atkins Diet often requires more than just understanding the food guidelines. It's beneficial to plan meals in advance, stay hydrated, and monitor carbohydrate intake carefully. Additionally, integrating regular physical activity can enhance the effects of the diet. Overcoming common challenges, like managing cravings and dining out, is also key to longer-term success. The Atkins Diet can be an effective way to lose weight and improve health for some individuals. However, it's not suitable for everyone. It requires a significant change in eating habits and a commitment to a new lifestyle. For those considering the Atkins Diet, it's advisable to start slowly, be patient with the process, and continuously assess how the diet affects your body and overall well-being.